I'm surprised Jaime didn't add earrings to this look and really go all out. Hello freaks, welcome back to Hi Stylin. Today Jaime's got us back to our regularly scheduled chaos with this very colorful look, but I think the colors actually work really well together, so I don't think it'll be that bad. I am noticing that Jaime once again used a shoe for a hem for some reason, so that'll be odd. But other than that, I'm looking forward to trying this one on. Well, I'm stretching out my green velvet headband to mimic the green velvet shoes. It's like about to fall off, but you get the idea, I think. And then for some reason, Jaime wanted to wear this pair of tights as a belt. Since we already have tights on, I think that was the idea, so that's pretty odd. But I really like all the colors. It's a lot. None of them really match. I mean, we have brown with brown. We have like we have matching textures, kind of this velour with the green and blue. It's almost the same. And then this purple and the pink is almost the same. And then it's a lot of textures. The tights have a texture, and this is lace. It's fun. I like it a lot. It's not very wearable, and I don't know how to change it. But maybe let's start with not wearing a headband on our legs. That would be a good place to start. Maybe if we just do what we've been doing and wear the items properly, so the headband as a headband, and then maybe we don't need brown tights at all because we already have brown and we already have tights, and this sweater over dress situation doesn't really need a belt anyway. It doesn't exactly look good over the dress, no matter how I do the hem, though. I think I will keep it folded up, though. That seems to be the best way. I don't love how the dress is showing up here just a little bit. I mean, if I can make it all even, then it's not so bad, but it's only showing on the side. I'm surprised Jaime didn't add earrings to this look and really go all out. I don't know. I mean, the headband kind of made it worse. And taking off the tights belt, now nothing goes with anything at all. It's just a bunch of random colors. And maybe it would look more cohesive if like the pink wasn't close to the pink and then the blue is close to the green, if they were like mixed up more. But right now it just looks kind of like split in half. But how to fix it? I guess I can try just taking the sweater off. Well, now there's nothing to balance out this yellow and it seems really in your face, but I don't know, I kind of like it. But now we lost the brown flower too. What if we just do the brown tights as tights instead of the yellow, and then we can match it to the brown flower so at least something matches? Let's try that. Ooh, okay, I was afraid of that. The lace next to the other lace, it's kind of too much texture, or too different texture. But I still think it's better than the yellow for now, so let's keep going with it. I think we can bring back the sweatshirt with the brown flower, and that'll just tie it all in better. Yeah, so far I think this is toned down a lot, and even though the purple and pink and the blue and green aren't a perfect match for each other, they go together enough that I think it works. Maybe we can bring back just a little bit of the yellow, maybe in like some earrings or something. Let me see what I have. Well, it turns out the only yellow earrings I have are a pretty bright yellow, so I'm gonna go with this mustard bracelet instead. I think it's closer to the color of the tights and just a little more muted for this already colorful outfit. And I just pulled the sleeves up a little bit to show off the bracelet. And I think I'm gonna end it here. It's still a lot for most people, but it's better than where we started. So this is my look. Where would I wear this? I would have to wear this to a peacock zoo, I think, so I could fit in. Let me know who you think is the winner of this look, regular me or high me, and thanks for watching. Come back next week for Jaime's much more coordinated look.